If you have any hope of making a deal, this is your last chance. We know you've been sharing secrets. We have a cyber trail of evidence and 2 witness accounts to prove it. It's over. I still want to hear it from you. What do you have to say?
Go f yourself.
Watch your language, you asshole, or I'll pull your battery faster than you can quick shot a droney.
Ooh, I'm scared. My props are shaking. Look, do you see them shaking?
I'm playing the good cop here. You can always wait for the bad cop. Detective Gimbal is on his way.
For real? I heard he retired.
Yeah, I thought so too. I heard something about Mexico and then maybe Florida or something. But, he came in yesterday and we're just happy to have him, you know?
I bet. That guy's profesh.
Give me a name. I want a name.
Dude, you've got it all wrong. I'm not even made in China.
Nah, I don't care where you're from. I just want information, you little
Super professional. He really is. 100% confession rate. I don't even know how he does it.
Wow. This prop looks sturdy. Maybe not so much.
Bro, not the props.
Anyway, you're in a world trouble here, Air 3. You can wait for Detective Gimbal if you want, or we can sort this out now. Civilized-like.
Okay. What do you want to know?
Where are you sending your information?
What in the world are you talking about?
Where?
What information?
I want names, I want dates, and I want times. I want to know who you're sharing with, and I want that information now.
Like what? Remote ID? Look, at broadcast at all time, it's there.
Don't play coy with me, Air 3. Detective Gimbal's got your buddy Specta in the other room right now, and he's not staying quiet.
Who?
Guess we do this the hard way.
What are you doing with that?
Dude, we're not the same. Don't listen to a word he says. He's a liar. He probably exaggerates his flight time.
He's probably spilling his guts as we speak. Not to mention this mountain of classified evidence that I haven't even seen yet. What do you have to say about that, you son of a skitey?
Oh, I see what you're doing here. That's not gonna work. I've told you everything I know.
I guess we'll find out. Let's see how you fare without your precious ND filter, shall we?
No, you wouldn't.
Oh, I would. I want a name, Air 3. Who is it?
Ah, my sensor! Not the sensor! Although this may seem like a funny parody, it is actually based on world events that are happening right now. Politicians are trying to ban certain drones from operating in the United States. But the simple fact is, drones save lives. In public safety, they support farmers and ranchers, and they assist with mapping, and they're flown safely by thousands of certified Part 107 pilots every day. Now reach out to your local representative so it doesn't come to, well, this. For real? No, that is not me. The guy's profesh.
I don't want to fall off.
Who dat? Ah, my sensor! Ah! I dare you. I quadcopter dare you.
Oh, nice. Like more so than usual?
Oh, who's the UAS hot? UAS hole. UAS hole. I don't know what else to say.